Is it time to buy or sell Pasithea Therapeutics stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Pasithea Therapeutics. Our initial report was published on our website on Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 6th of May, 2025, our system has identified Pasithea Therapeutics as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 1.39. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this assessment to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The stock is situated within the center of a broad and robust upward trend in the short term, indicating that a further increase within this trend is likely. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential change of approximately 12.87% over the next 3 months, with a possible return that could range from negative 14.11% to 30.20%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis forecasts a projected change of negative 68.67%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 96.86% and negative 45.89% over the coming year. In today's terms, this would suggest a future price ranging between 4.77 cents and 82 cents. Our latest daily update for Pasithea Therapeutics includes the headline, High Volatility in Pasithea Therapeutics Corporation Stock Price on Tuesday, which ended trading at $1.52. The Pasithea Therapeutics Corporation stock price gained 7.04% on the last trading day, which was Tuesday, the 6th of May, 2025, rising from $1.42 to $1.52. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 161.38%, moving from a day low of $1.45 to a day high of $3.79. The price has risen in 6 of the last 10 days, but is still down by 1.3% for this period. Volume has increased on the last day along with the price, which is a positive technical sign. In total, 225 million more shares were traded than the day before, resulting in approximately $342,200,000 worth of transactions. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the stock was $7.69, and the lowest price was 92 cents. Currently, the price is 80.23% or $6.17 below the 52-week high, and 99.11% or $168.48 below the all-time high on the 23rd of November, 2021, when the price reached $170. Pasithea Therapeutics, trading under the symbol KTTA, has recently made headlines with 2 significant announcements. First, the company has priced a public offering at $5 million, aimed at funding its clinical trials, research and development, and other corporate initiatives, with the closing set for May 7, 2025. This capital injection is expected to enhance liquidity and support ongoing projects, providing a short-term boost to investor confidence. In addition, KTTA has reported promising early results from its lead drug, TAS-004, which targets pancreatic cancer. Initial trials indicate a tumor reduction, with 1 patient experiencing stable disease and tumor shrinkage over 4 months. Such positive trial outcomes not only strengthen the drug's profile, but can also lead to increased investor interest and potentially elevate the stock price in the short run. Moreover, the company recently completed patient enrollment for the ongoing Phase 1 trial, hinting at timely progress that may attract further attention from both analysts and potential investors. The acceptance of updated data presentation at the upcoming ASCO annual meeting also adds to the growing narrative of a company on the rise. In the longer term, if PAS-004 continues to show efficacy and safety in upcoming trial phases, it could pave the way for FDA approval, a significant catalyst for stock appreciation. Conversely, challenges in trial outcomes or delays could negatively impact investor sentiment, In summary, KTTA appears to be at a pivotal moment, balancing immediate funding needs with the potential for groundbreaking advancements in cancer treatment that could substantially influence its stock trajectory. Analysts have assigned Pasithea Therapeutics stock a general sell rating. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book value as a strong buy. Regarding return on investment, the analysts have also rated the stock as a strong sell. The following signals have been identified for Pasithea Therapeutics. Pasithea Therapeutics Corporation stock currently reflects a sell signal from the short-term moving average. Conversely, there is a buy signal from the long-term average. Given that the short-term average is above the long-term average, a general buy signal emerges, indicating a positive forecast for the stock. If the stock continues to rise, it will encounter resistance from the short-term moving average at approximately $1.55. Should the stock decline, support will be found from the long-term average at around $1.38. A breakout above the short-term average will trigger a buy signal, while a breakdown below the long-term average will lead to a sell signal. Additionally, a buy signal has been generated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. The rise in volume alongside the price is considered a favorable technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact short-term performance. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Friday, April 25, 2025, and thus far, it has declined by 12.14%. Further declines are expected until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, sell signal from 8 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal from 164 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal from 5 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal from 17 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicates a buy signal from 28 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe short moving average, buy signal from 2 days ago. The long-term moving average, sell signal from 145 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you would like to explore more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for Pasithea Therapeutics. On the downside, the stock finds support just below today's level from accumulated volume at $1.42 and $1.37. There is a natural risk involved when a stock is testing a support level, as breaching this level may lead to a decline to the next support level. In this case, Pasithea Therapeutics Corporation finds support just below today's level at $1.42. If this level is breached, the next support from accumulated volume will be at $1.37 and $1.18. This stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a considerable prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is considered to carry a very high risk. During the last day, the stock fluctuated $2.34 between its high and low, representing 161.38%. Over the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 40.08%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Pasithea Therapeutics, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may signal inadequate profits and possible risks of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 13th of May, 2025. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Pasithea Therapeutics. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Pasithea Therapeutics is at $1.60. If you do not currently own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before making an investment. For those who already possess the stock, this could serve as a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, Pasithea Therapeutics faces its first support level at $1.42. If this support level remains intact, it could present a favorable entry point with the expectation of a rebound. The combined average rating for Pasithea Therapeutics from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest trade took place on the 13th of June, 2024, when Novak Alfred J. conducted an insider purchase of 2,750 shares of common stock. Our recommended stop loss is set at $1.43, reflecting a decline of 5.78%. This stock experiences significant daily fluctuations, contributing to a higher level of risk. Additionally, we have identified a sell signal from a pivot top that occurred 7 days ago. Is Pasithea Therapeutics stock a good buy? Several short-term signals, along with a generally positive trend, suggest that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for Pasithea Therapeutics Corporation stock to perform well in the near term. We have upgraded our analysis conclusion for this stock since the last evaluation from a hold or accumulate position to a buy candidate. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Wednesday, the 7th of May, we expect Pasithea Therapeutics to open higher by approximately 73 cents and start trading at around $2.25. We remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any purchases or sales of securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. Here's our current perspective on the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your opinions. What is your target for this stock? Don't forget to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at StockInvest.